smartphone here. We're going to be looking at how we can add header and footer right here in this Microsoft Word document. First thing that you wanted to do is come right up here to the insert. You're going to click on the insert tab. When you click on insert tab, it brings down the ribbon. So you're going to come all the way here where it says header and footer. You're going to click right here, look a pointer right here. You can right here, several. You can actually scroll out to see the different types. Or you can come right here and edit it. Or if you don't want it, you can move it. Alright, I'm going to scroll up back. Right up top here. I'm going to select this one right here. If you notice right inside, it's a type text right here. So I'm going to type all about computer. Right. And when you've done that, you can actually block it, format it. Right. If you notice right here, you can actually increase the font size by clicking right here. Just the same. You can actually change the font color right here if you want. You can actually underline it by doing that. Just the same. You can also bold it. Just the same. You can do a number of things right here. You can even come right here and center it. Just like that. When you finish, you can come right over here. That's a close header. Right, if you notice it's actually clear right here, so we're going to be looking at the footer now. So go back to the insert tab. You're going to click right here on the footer. Right, so I'm going to select this one. Notice right here, sure down to the left. Right, so I'm going to set now create. Right, did by March. So when I finish, I can actually compress and do it. I can put the cursor right out here and double click like that. And just the same. So this is the way you add header and footer right here in this particular document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.